Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to disable energy saving mode on this laptop. First, right click the battery icon on your status bar, go to power and sleep settings, and then go to energy saver, expand this menu, and to disable energy saver manually, switch this toggle to the left. To disable your energy saver forever, you have to expand this list and select never right here. This way energy saver will never start working on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.